Thutha wa gũkinyio igoti-inĩ mbere ya mũcirithania Phyllis Nyanda, mwĩkũĩrwo wa wakiri Nambara Mandera anathomerwo mahĩtia make, ĩndĩ mũcirithania ũyũ auga atwarwo thibitarĩ-inĩ nene ya Narok ambe arorwo kana ena thĩna wa meciria, na thutha agacokio mweri 28 mweri ũyũ nĩguo athomerwo thitango ya kũragana. Kĩama kĩa mawakiri Narok kũhĩtũkĩra moria wa Paracine Masikode maugĩte nĩo mekũrũmĩrĩra cira ũyũ kĩhinyio.
We once again say sorry to the Nambara family. The pain you have is the pain we have. Mandela was our colleague, and we are also crying as the legal fraternity for having lost him. And we assure the family that LSK Narok chapter, we have made a resolution to take up this matter and make sure that the minimum justice available in law will be found. We will walk this journey together, and we will also support the family financially, morally, and all support we will give you.
Wakiri Kaitike Iroti Kenini orĩtie borithi mathuthuria arĩa othe mahetwo mĩcinga ya kwĩgitĩra ene irabu na ene mĩkawa.
Najua tuko na security agencies katika county yetu, kuwe na sensitization kwa wale private firearm holders to take responsibility, kwa sababu hataki kupoteza tena maisha, na pia tuwaomba establishment zetu, iwe ni hoteli, iwe ni club, kwamba security measures ama watu wanapoaccess hizo establishments hao, mtu ambaye labda tuseme ameingia kwenye club vile tulielezwa, kama ni namna hiyo, huyo mtu level of intoxication, to develop mechanisms kwamba kama lazima mtu aingie huko ndani awe disarmed huko nje, wawe na mini armories and all that, kwa sababu maisha ya binadamu ni ya maana sana.
James Nambara ũrĩa nĩwe mwaria wa family nĩacokeirie ngatho mawakiri nĩ kũrũgama nao akiuga bata wao nĩ kĩhoto kĩonekane kĩa Nambara.
Kwanza niko na furaha kubwa sana kwa nyinyi wakili ambao wamesimama na familia kutetea haki ya mwenzenu mmoja. Ya pili ni kuwa mtu ya familia, mimi mzazi, hatuna maneno mingi. Tunataka tu kusema kuambia tu serikali atutafutie tu ukweli, haki tu itendeke ili tupate ukweli.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Narok, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanyũike wa Mbũgua.